few weeks ago I got some seeds from Moringas, and just as an experiment we peeled some, we clipped some, and we planted some without doing anything to the seeds. And the results were pretty surprising because give or take a day, it didn't matter much. So maybe it's because it's pretty hot here, they like it that way. But there was not really a noticeable difference in speed. What I did notice was that I planted the first one in quite a big pot, and it has grown a lot, more than the others. So we're going to give them all a bigger pot. Actually pretty curious to see how well they rooted in those small pots. So let's find out. Well, it's looking nice, but there are far less roots than I expected. Okay. Let's do the next one. Because I want to disturb the roots as little as possible, I'm filling up the pot around their old smaller container, which gives me perfect fit for the plant. And isn't the soil too wet? Yeah, probably, but that's gone in a couple of hours. Okay, now same trick. Nice. This one has a little bit more roots. Okay, and fits perfect. Already seeing some roots coming underneath. Eventually the toilet roll will decompose. So it's a kind of a soil block. You know, these toilet rolls are pretty high, so I'm wondering if they wouldn't do better in a high pot. I have two left. I'll plant 2 moringas in higher pots. So do you grow moringas? Let me know in a comment if you have any tips. So, on to the next one. Well, hey Charlie. Yeah, what's up? Funny thing is, Charlie just came walking into the garden and stayed. He's a semi-feral cat. Still doesn't like to be touched that much. But we tried to get it used to being touched so we can apply flea drops, etc. We also found out that Charlie's called Walter or Splotched, depending on the house he's in. So, like I said, the water in the soil will evaporate in a couple of hours. At the moment it's pretty hot. Yeah, there it goes. So what's it like in your part of the world? How's the weather? I really like the fact that we have followers from all over the world. So people fighting extreme conditions in the desert in Texas. Dutch people. Brits. A lot of Brits. But it's kind of the charm of having a YouTube channel, I guess. Makes you feel connected with different parts of the world. Different people with the same interest. Yep, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 9 out of 50 moringas. I think we could have done better, but still don't know where to put them on. So this is nice. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.